You know how you forgot to brush your teeth in the morning and then by the evening you just can't stand it and you have to brush them right away? That's how probably your Toyota feels when you didn't clean your throttle body. And it's right there. I'm going to be using this throttle body clean, and you don't need to use it too much. I've seen people just spray all over it, but you just need the throttle body clean and the microfiber towel. Let's take this beauty cover off. The throttle body is right here, and all you need is a screwdriver, regular Phillips screwdriver. Just unscrew this. You might need to lube it a bit with some kind of lubricant that you have. There you go. There you go, there's your throttle body. And if you look down there, it's really nice and shiny here in the front, but it's all dirty and black there behind this plate. So what we want to do is clean that off, and we're going to use the CRC throttle body clean. I love CRC products, by the way, they're very good. The plate is connected to the motor, so you don't want to really push it too fast or too hard because you might break the gearing in the motor. So you want to just do very slow, gentle movements. And you see also how dirty it is here on the edge of the plate. That's also what you want to clean. So a lot of people will just spray and leave it, but actually I've seen that you can just use a regular towel or microfiber towel and soak it with the cleaner and do it by hand. Stick your finger in and clean it off. But I'm actually gonna first soak it a little bit, just a little bit, and soak everything here, open it up a bit and soak it with this CRC cleaner, so I have a bit easier time cleaning it off with the towel. There you go. I'm just going to take the towel and spray it with this cleaner, and then I'm going to stick it in there and clean everything I can reach. And you see how dirty it is, just even at the front here, not even reaching too far down there. It's kind of a tight space, but just try reaching in there and clean it all off. And you want to also try to clean this edge of the plate. You see how much more clean it is now that I've cleaned that side, and you see how dirty this is. I'm going to use the other side of the towel. Just spray a bit more here on the towel and continue cleaning. Oh yeah, there's a lot of it. And the back of this plate is quite dirty as well. So we also want to go up here and clean the upper part. See how dirty it is? Really, really dirty. It's not very easy because Corolla doesn't have a very big intake here, so a bigger vehicle it will be much easier. There you go, you see all this, it's just black, just completely black. I'm gonna use another corner, clean corner here, soak it with the spray. So there you go, it's not much gunk anymore. Alright, that bottom part very hard to clean, so I'm just gonna try with my finger one more time. Maybe I can reach it a little bit. You can kind of reach the edge there, but not really far out there. So the other option might be opening it fully, and if you have long fingers, reaching from the back. So I did clean it a little bit, but let's try this. I don't think I have the fingers for it, for this job. You can kind of reach a little bit, but not really. All right, I would consider this clean. Now I'm just going to drive the car and see if it helped a little bit with the idling. When you have carboned up here, everything, you would have idling problems. It would idle too low, the engine would vibrate. And let's see if this helped a little bit with that. Okay, let's put this back in. This is all the way. Tighten the screw. Okay, it's nice and tight. Now let's go for a drive. So I just started up the engine and immediately the RPM went to 2000. Immediately. And it just stays there. So I'm gonna leave it idling a little bit and see maybe if it can come down slightly. It's calming down a bit. Now I have driven for about 15 minutes maybe, and it is quieting down. It's getting to 900, 800, somewhere where it's closer where it's supposed to be. I've been driving now for about half an hour, and everything went back to normal with the idle. It's about, I think it should be 750 RPM, and it's actually 800, but that's okay for me. And I feel that the car is smoother, definitely smoother. It's at the lights, it doesn't vibrate as much. It kind of doesn't dip. The RPM doesn't dip when you stop at the lights. It just goes down to 800 and that's it. So it's definitely much smoother. The throttle response, I think, is a bit better. When you let go of the accelerator, there used to be like a little jerk, but now it's gone. It's a very simple procedure. You just need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, you need a rag, and that CRC throttle body cleaner, and you can do it yourself. It's a very simple procedure, but it does have a big effect, so I would recommend you do it. If you're starting doing something with your car, that's probably something you want to do, because it's so simple. It takes 10 minutes for you to do that, and you'll see the effect right away. So here we are, some traffic lights. I'm gonna stop there, so let's see the throttle response. I'm decelerating now, I'm braking. Unfortunately, we're not gonna stop. There's the next one there. I'm gonna stop there. Okay, I'm gonna decelerate now. Braking. Let's see this throttle response. Braking now. Yeah, and it's pretty good. It used to dip, and then the engine would vibrate a bit, and then it would go up. So it definitely solved that problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.